Hello and welcome. Deciding to earn your degree is a big decision and a big commitment. You've already got a busy life, what with a job, a family, bills to pay, and mouths to feed. Of course, you don't want to spend 3 hours figuring out how to use your online classroom, so we put together this video to get you off and running. First things first, go to learn.umuc.edu and log in. You'll land on your homepage. From here, just click on this 9-square icon and select a course. A classroom for that course opens. On the left, you'll see alerts. These highlight things like unread discussion posts and quizzes. Below the alerts is a calendar, which many instructors use to point out due dates for assignments. You definitely want to check the calendar, check it twice, and then, that's right, check it again. To the right are announcements. Your instructor will use this space to communicate important information about the course, so you're going to want to check on those too. The navigation bar will help you get wherever you need to go in your classroom. It's kind of like an online GPS. Your syllabus is really useful, so it should be at the top of your to-do list. Click on Content, which opens a page with all of your course content. On the left, click on Syllabus, and then again on the right. The syllabus tells you all about your instructor, course assignments, grades, your instructor's policies, and more. Take the time to read it through. Many students even print out or download the syllabus so they have it handy. This content menu on the left gives you access to all the content that makes up your course. The course is organized by week, but other instructors might do it differently, for instance, by using projects or milestones. Now, you might be asking yourself, so where are my textbooks? And how much are they going to set me back? Well, I've got good news. In most of your courses, all the learning resources you need are right here, free of charge. These resources will include e-textbooks, websites, videos, and more. Often, these resources are embedded into the content, like here. They're also usually listed at the bottom of the content, like this. This instructor has assigned 2 chapters for week 1. Clicking on the link opens that chapter. It's as easy as that. Many instructors also assign discussions as part of the class. You can check your syllabus to find out if you have assigned discussions. Discussions can be integrated into the content. Here, clicking on Introduce Yourself takes you to a discussion where you will introduce yourself to your classmates. You can also access discussions through the navigation bar. Discussions are more like online forums than chat rooms. You don't have to be online at the same time as your classmates to participate. Different instructors use discussions in different ways. Sometimes they are an open question, asking you to share your thoughts and opinions on some topic. Sometimes they are very structured, requiring you to research a specific topic and cite sources. Sometimes they're graded, sometimes not. But either way, discussions are an important part of the course and your learning experience, so take them seriously. Class List is another great communication tool. For example, select Faculty, then click on your instructor's name to send her an email. It's also a good idea to check your syllabus or announcements to see if your instructor has a preferred communication method. Email is not the only way to communicate in the classroom. If you see this green dot next to a name, they're online too. Click the checkbox, hit Instant Message, and voila, instant communication. Use these tools to get to know your classmates too. Like you, they bring rich experiences and insights to the classroom. And because we are a global university, you might be in Baltimore, and your classmate might be in Germany, or Japan, or even Fiji. In your coursework, you will write papers and complete other projects. And of course, you will have to submit them too. Good news, that's the easy part. Just click on Assignments, and then click on an assignment to open this page where you can upload your work. The My Tools option gives you access to several functions. Check your syllabus or ask your instructor if these functions will be used in your course. Now, let's say you're looking for help. You don't want to wait for email and nobody else is online. The appropriately named Help button is a great option. Selecting Help Center, for instance, will open the online Help Center, a really useful resource. And speaking of help, I'll say it again. Communicate, communicate, communicate. Don't forget, your instructors are here to help you succeed. Ask questions, stay in touch. Use old-fashioned email or instant messenger. You probably already know this, but it's worth repeating. Nothing is more important to your success in the classroom than asking questions. You're just getting started out on a big project called getting your degree. Right now, it might seem like it will be forever before you graduate. But like any journey, it's not just about reaching your destination. Even more important, it's about what happens along the way. Just taking classes, getting new training, can help you do better in your job, maybe even lead to a promotion or a bump in your salary. And who knows, maybe you'll make a new friend in Fiji that you'll have to visit sometime.